You like money, you love dogs, and you thought, how cool would it be to start my own dog treat brand? But you don't have the time to produce treats yourself, and you don't have the funds to hire a traditional manufacturing partner. This is where most people give up. We help people like you start your own dog treat brand for around $1,000 in less than 6 weeks. We handle the formulation, production, guaranteed analysis, packaging, custom package design, so that you can focus on growing your brand. Now, historically, if you wanted to start a dog treat brand, there were two paths to take. Path number one, to manufacture yourself, to source, formulate, produce, package, label, navigate regulations, thousands of dollars invested, hours of time spent, all to be left with a messy kitchen and product at risk of spoilage. Or path number two, to contract a manufacturer. But most contract manufacturers have $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 minimums and 6-month lead times. That is, if they ever even return your call at all. We know these challenges all too well because several years ago we started a dog treat brand that we sold a few years later. And our early days were full of late nights, countless mistakes, and non-stop dishes. After selling that business in 2023, we developed a unique model that makes it super simple and easy for other businesses to launch their own dog treat brands. This is a model that's been used by businesses like Marriott, Ace Hardware, Juiceland, Coors Light, even US national parks. And in 2025, we began to receive interest from other entrepreneurs, such as yourself, seeking to start dog treat brands of their own, looking for an end to end manufacturing partner that was able to meet them where they were. And from that, we developed our dog treat brand launch program to help people like you turn your passion into a business with a passive recurring revenue stream. Each month, we invite 10 entrepreneurs to participate in this program, and we would now like to invite you to apply. In our short application, we'll ask a couple questions about your vision for the brand, your marketing plan, and if it's a good fit, we can't wait to see what we build together.